Hey guys, watch this. Come on! Come on! Come on! Watch this. I've just put down a lick block for him. See? Come on! Come on! You watch, they'll start peering out of everywhere. Come on, girls. You want some food? Come on. Come on! That's how they're, yeah. You do that because that's how they've learnt. That's how they've learnt to be called. Yeah, look at them. Little calves are coming to you. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah, have a feed. Come on. Come on, girls. Look, they're friggin' everywhere now. Come on. Come on, girls. You want a feed? Come on. This is a cute little calf, hey? Cute little fella. God, I love this. See, this is what I love doing the farm as well. Like, can you not see how? Like, just taking care of amazing animals. Hey, girls! What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, they're calling out. They're calling out because they're telling everyone there's food here. Look at them all. Come on, girls. Yeah, they're going to town on it. Hey, darling. Oh, cute little calves. See, they're little curious little buddies. Hey, mate. Look at the calves running. Well, she's very pregnant. Hey. They look a little bit wintry, but that's alright. That's pretty normal. The cold gives them a bit on their stomach. Gives them away. But they look happy and everything, don't they? Yeah, I just thought I'd show you a bit of what I do on the farm. I thought that was pretty funny how you call them and they just come running, they just come flying in at you. Oh yeah, and I wear glasses. I just can't take them down to the river, obviously. I'd smash them. Hey, darling. What are you doing? So as soon as you walk near them, they're a bit scared of you. But they're very friendly. Oh, look at these guys. Hey, guys. A bit cold. It's been snowing. Hey, cuties. Nice girls, aren't you? Hey. Alright guys, gotta head back home. It's cold now. Give them their feed, so... But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I do on the farm and stuff. And, I don't know, it's just something a bit different, and yeah. If you like it, you don't, you know, it's all good. I'll see you next time and we'll do a cripple fossicking video. Hey darling. She's like camera bombing me. See you guys.